What's going on, everybody? It's your homie TVP, and I want to ask y'all a serious question. Do you want to stay at the Luxor for free? If I told you you can get a free night to stay at the Luxor in 2 days, would you believe me? Well, I hope so, because y'all know I keep it real with y'all and I would never provide nothing misleading. But I'm still trying to process this whole myVegas get down and how everything is legitimately free by doing absolutely nothing but running the app. So today I'm finna tell y'all how to get a free night stay at Luxor by doing nothing but just running an app, and we talking myVegas. So I gotta give a shout out to my guy Ace of Vegas. He is the king of myVegas. Y'all make sure y'all go to his channel. He got a whole playlist on myVegas, all of the different tips and tricks. He got all the sauce. Y'all go check him out. Me and him linked up earlier this year and we did a myVegas tutorial collab video. I'm gonna link that in the description so y'all can get a full breakdown, just in case y'all don't know how myVegas works. It's a lot of sauce and a lot of gems in there. So listen, February was when I started using myVegas this year. Now I know to many people myVegas is nothing new. People been using myVegas for years. I thought it was skeptical. I thought it was a joke. Well, guess what? The joke was on me. And since February is June, I've already redeemed 2 free nights. I've already got a free drink. I've already gotten $25 in free play. Literally doing nothing. But what I'm about to tell y'all what to do to get these free rooms, this is what I've been doing to getting all my free stuff. So what you're gonna need is a mobile device, whether it's your cell phone or a tablet, and then you're gonna need to download these apps. So if you've got Android, which is the way you should go, team Android all the way, you want to go to the Play Store. If you got an Apple device, you want to do the same thing. Go to the App Store and you want to download these 3 apps. You want to download myVegas Slots, you want to download MGM Slots Live, and you want to download Pop Slots. These are the 3 apps we're going to use for this video to get these free rooms. So this is how you're going to get your free night at Luxor in 2 days. Now the total process for this is probably going to be between 4.5 and 5 hours, but because there's a daily cap with the loyalty points, it's going to take 2 days. So the first thing you want to do is start with myVegas Slots. Now with this app, it's all about loyalty points. The chips don't matter. This ain't a real casino. You're not trying to hit a big bankroll and cash out. You're going to cash out your loyalty points. So don't worry about the chips. You'll get free chips every day, so you don't got to worry about chips. The sauce is all about how long you play, not how much you're betting. So don't worry about how much you're betting trying to speed up the process. It don't matter how much you bet. The process is going to be the same. So for myVegas Slots, literally just go into the app. Make sure you're signed into a Facebook account, because you do need a Facebook account so that everything is registered under one account, and then run the app. So from what I've noticed, it's going to take you about an hour for these loyalty points to max out at 4,000 loyalty points. So again, it don't matter how much you bet. It just matters how long you play. You can literally pick a game, do the very minimum bet, press and hold spin. That's going to put it on auto spin. Let it do itself. So go ahead, watch your favorite show. I was watching All American. That's my show. I was watching Snowfall before that wrapped up. That was crazy. Y'all see Snowfall? That was insane. I be watching Married at First Sight sometimes. Ain't no way I'm marrying no stranger the very first day. While I'm watching my shows, this is running, and all I'm doing is just making sure that it's still spinning, because it will dim out. Just make sure the screen's still running. And as long as it's running, the loyalty points accrue. So it take you about an hour to max out. That's 4,000 loyalty points. Once that's done maxed out, stop spinning it, exit the app, move on over to MGM Slots Live. Same thing, bet the bare minimum, put it on auto spin, let it run. That normally takes about an hour as well to max out. I have seen it max out around 45-50 minutes, but we gonna just call it an hour for the sake of this video. Same thing with that, let that run. The bonuses on there be annoying sometimes, so you definitely want to keep your eye on this one just to make sure that it's still going and that you're not timed out or stopped, because you can get into a bonus and, you know, once you start playing, it'll make sense. And with all of these, you still want to make sure that you sign into the same Facebook account. It's all free, don't cost you nothing. This is free money, free. Everything's free. Make sure you still sign into the same Facebook account. Same thing with Pop Slots. Log into the app, pick your casino, whatever game you want to play. Minimum bet, auto spin, let it do its thing. You know what I'm saying? This is literally all you're gonna do. So it's gonna take you about an hour for myVegas Slots. It's gonna take you about an hour for MGM Slots Live, and about an hour for Pop Slots. MGM Slots Live and Pop Slots are very, very similar. They look very, very identical. but they are two different apps, even though they basically have the same games and they look very similar. Let them run. Watch your shows, watch a sporting event. Let the app do its thing. You don't got to do nothing but put it on auto spin, and it's gonna auto spin you to a free room. So once you maxed out this first day, that's it, you're done. It's gonna take you about 3 hours. So literally the first day, 3 hours, you're done. That's 12,000 loyalty points. Now to stay at Luxor, you need a total of 18,000 loyalty points. And if you do everything that I described in this video, you can get those 18,000 loyalty points in a max of 5 hours. And like I said, it's only gonna take you 2 days because you get a daily limit of 4,000 loyalty points on the apps. But listen, this is easy money for y'all to get a free room at Luxor. I know a lot of people like staying at Luxor because it's cheap, it's on the strip, and they have updated those rooms. So now you got the updated pyramid rooms. People like the tower rooms, but it's free. You can't, the only way to beat cheap is free. So if y'all like doing stuff for cheap, why not get it for free? And this is how you get it for free, man. Y'all comment below, let me know y'all thoughts. If y'all have any other secret sauce that y'all have observed, y'all can drop that as well, and I'll holla at y'all in the next video.